Good morning. Coffee with everyone. I love that. Hurry up and wait, because you know what? The market isn't waiting for you. If you own real estate, you can relax a little, but prices are going to go up, as they always do. 75% of the time, prices go up. It's quite a good way to hedge your bets, is to buy property. And if you look back over the last 10 or 20 years, and if you know somebody who has bought property a while ago, do the test with your family, your friends, and take whatever it is they think the property is worth at the current time and just halve it and halve it and halve it, and see how many times you half the price before you get to what they actually paid. Do not ask them to tell you what they paid. You will be very interested to see how their prices have risen and in what short space of time those prices have risen. They would wish they had bought more. Guaranteed. Every time. Don't let that happen to you. So if you're not in the market, jump in at some point to gain the momentum of these price increases. But you know, there's no long queue. You can't sit and wait and watch for when the queues are standing at the real estate agents' doors, beating down their doors because they want to buy. There's no queue of buyers. It doesn't happen like that. So you're not going to see that. Yes, the market does turn sometimes, and we call it herd mentality, where everybody's buying or everywhere's selling. We've heard the talk of the graphs and the spikes and the peaks and the troughs and the V's and the Y's and all the wonderful things that markets do. But markets don't care. They will always move, with or without you, and move they will. So do something. Get into the property market and do it now. The market is going to move, as I said, with or without you. Don't let it run away from you. Happy buying, happy investing.